In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a Teams channel using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collaborating on a project, keeping a colleague in the loop, or sharing important updates with your team, knowing how to add participants to your channels is essential. Let's go step by step so you feel confident and capable when using Teams. First, start by logging into your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you have your credentials handy because you'll need to sign in before proceeding. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options, including your activity feed, chat sections, and of course, your teams and channels. Next, focus on the left-hand side of the interface where several icons are displayed. Click on the Teams icon to view all the teams you're part of. Each team contains different channels, which are dedicated spaces for conversations, files, and project updates. Now, identify the specific team and channel you want to add someone to. Being in the correct channel is important, as this ensures you're inviting the right person to the right space. Click on the team first, then select the specific channel. Once inside the channel, you'll see options specific to that channel. It's time to invite someone new. Look for the invite icon, which usually looks like a small person with a plus sign, typically located at the top of the channel interface. Clicking this icon opens a window where you can enter the details of the person you want to add. You can enter their email address and, in some cases, their phone number. For work-related channels, it's usually best to use the official email address to ensure everything stays professional and organized. After entering the contact information, double-check for any typos or mistakes. This step is important to make sure your invitation goes to the right person. Once everything looks correct, click the invite button to send the invitation. The person you've added will receive a notification and can immediately access conversations, files, and any shared resources within that channel. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to your Microsoft Teams channel. This simple step helps your team collaborate efficiently and ensures everyone has the information they need to stay on the same page. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you create a more inclusive and organized workspace. If you have any questions or need more tips, leave a comment below. Happy teaming!